Use matrix method to solve 5x plus 3y is equal to 35. 3x minus 4y is equal to negative 8. We can write this equation as a 5, 3, 3, negative 4. X, y is equal to 35 minus 8. The inverse of coefficient matrix. Our coefficient matrix is this one here. The inverse is the inverse of this 5, 3, 3, 1, negative 1, 4. The inverse is negative 1 over 29, negative 4, negative 3, negative 3, and 5. That is the inverse. We had learned about how to find the inverse in the previous lesson, so we can check our previous video concerning how to find the inverse. So the inverse of matrix 5, 3, 3, negative 4 is negative 1 over 29 times matrix negative 4, negative 3, negative 3, 5. So we can pre-multiply both sides of the matrix equation by the inverse of the coefficient matrix. So what we do is that we pre-multiply both sides of the matrix equation by the inverse of the coefficient matrix. The inverse is this one here. So what we do is we multiply negative 1 over 29, negative 4, negative 3, negative 3, 5. We multiply by the coefficient matrix here. So we multiply 5, 3, 3, negative 4, x, y is equal to, we pre-multiply both sides of the matrix equation by the inverse of the coefficient matrix. So this is the inverse. This is the inverse. So this inverse, we also take it this other side, negative 1 over 29, negative 4, negative 3, negative 3, 5. This is the inverse. We multiply both sides. This other side also we multiply. So that is we multiply by 35, negative 8, 35, negative 8, 35, 35, negative 8, 35, negative 8. So this is going to give us a negative 1 over 29, negative 29, 0, 0, negative 29, x, y. We can check our previous video concerning how we can multiply, we can get the product of two matrices. We have done this in the previous video, so we can check the previous video. This is giving us a negative 1 over 29, negative 1, 1, 16, negative 1, 45. And this is giving us a 1, 0, 0, 1 times x, y, and this is going to give us 4, 5. 4, 5. So from here, our x is equal to 4. And our y is equal to 5. X is equal to 4. Y is equal to 5. Thank you for watching.